Water pits.
Yes.
Middle sun is abyssal water.
Mm.
Middle sun. It's a to both the middle sun itself.
Mm.
Abysmal water. Continuous water pits. There is a trust. Sorry, there is trust safeguarding the heart.
Mm.
Let an offering be made.
Mm.
Going forth is beneficial.
Very good. You have to take care of your heart.
Okay.
Again, another person, acupuncture practitioner, the patient came and they were discussing about doing what is called angio or something like
Angiogram.
that. Whatever.
Angiogram.
The condition relating to that. He got this answer, he just asked my opinion. I said, you have to look at the functioning of his heart and kidney.
Okay.
I'm not saying you can go ahead and make medical recommendations, but you can take clues and try to understand the seriousness of the situation. Okay?
Okay, sir.
It openly said, safeguard your heart. What else do you want?
Then it's a direct answer that if you're not going to
Yes.
safeguard, there will be heart attack also.
We don't know. But that will be in 28.
So
Right?
if it's 29 comes the same thing, what is the answer?
In 29, you are one step before. You are being warned.
Yes, sir.
So that is the thing. So
Uh, which point I
we
should
will
read?
stop at 30.
Yes, sir.
Right. 30 is exact opposite of 29. In terms of element, 29 is water.
29. Yes, sir.
Uh,
Water pits.
yeah, 30 is fire.
Fire. Okay. Lee. Middle daughter. The
Yes.
singling fire. The singling fire. The
Mm.
favorable omen. Let an offering be made auspicious to raise a cow.
Mm. See, fire
Yes,
has a nature of going upward.
yes, sir. It goes upwards.
Uh, whatever is there, it gets attached to that. That is clinging. That is the meaning of that.
I want to ask this question, sir. When Earth, because a lot of people asked, I didn't get the answer. When Earth has a gravity force to push everything, why when we are light a lamp, anything is going up, not going low?
Yes. That is why they have understood our elders and those who lived before us in their understanding. Water has a nature to flow down. Fire has a nature to
Oh, high.
flow. That is
But why?
the I don't know. Don't try to understand everything with your science mind. The first thing this morning, I was listening to a medical doctor in acupuncture. You know what he said? First, you learn to recognize, learn to accept it, that it exists. That is the nature of it. Even if a king comes and lights something, it will go upwards. A beggar
Anyone?
comes and lights anything. So that means it is indiscriminate. It does not get affected by you, me, or our qualities and attitudes and our status. That is why there is one word called dakshanya.
Dakshinya.
There is
Daya
no
Dakshin.
dakshanya.
Daya
Daya
means
dakshanya will not be there when you interact with fire,
fire. Yes.
right? So that is the nature of it. Here, fire also you can mean fever,
Okay.
and you draw a figure of face in your notebook.
Nice, sir.
Ah, and in the place of eyes, you put this diagram.
Oh, this
Fire,
diagram.
no?
Okay.
Ah, right.
I'll try, sir. It's like an eye with the eyebrow.
Somebody is seeing you. Now you
Yes.
see it again. See the picture again.
It's seeing like it's directly seeing me.
Yes. That means these are your two eyes.
Okay.
So fire is one of the what is called palace hexagram. Write this word.
Palace.
Yeah, P-A-L-A-C-E.
Yes, yes. Palace,
Palace
etc.
hexagram. Yeah. Water again, double water, water doubled is again a palace hexagram.
Okay.
Generally, there is a school of thought which says chapter 30 brings the first volume of this writing to end.
Yes.
31 to 64 belongs to volume 2.
31.
You don't need to separate it, it is all together only.
No, just I'll write it
Ah,
for reference.
yes, yes.
Because when you're going to give some suggestions to me, I should take it for a practice level. So I just want to
Yeah.
talk, keep it everything.
So I always find an opportunity to stop in chapter 30.
Okay.
Not out of choosing, but it will happen by itself.